everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. So I have done several of this knotless braids video, so basically you're just gonna watch me work. So I will be doing this style on my client. She has a very thick natural hair, and I'm using I have the hair link in my description box. I use 6 packs of that hair that you saw me that I held earlier. And right now I'm just currently prepping for the hair. We're doing medium waist length, basically medium waist length, and the color is ombré burgundy, and I also have the hair link in my description box. And that is my braid pepper, and that is how I prepped my braids. So we used 6 packs, and I prepped using my 2 braid pepper, and I have some left, which I'm going to end up using as I braid my client's hair. But for now, I was able to fill the braid pepper with 5.5 packs of the braiding hair. Again, I've done this before, but I'm just showing you guys a tutorial on natural hair, which is basically the same way you do for like other ones, but this is just to show you that knotless braids works for both natural hair and basically any hair type, basically. And parting your hair into 3 places also helps when it comes to trying to make it look silky and flat and really, really smooth. So when you part it, it just helps to it helps as you braid and as you insert your braids as you go, basically. So first you part to put your edge control, and then you divide it into 3, and it just makes everything look very, very nice, silky, and yeah, as you can see, it actually looks great. So, and I'm gonna braid like twice, and then I'm going to start inserting. I did not really have to part all of them as I went, but this is just very good for beginners, basically. Or if your hair is like very, very thick, this is a good method for you to part it and then you start braiding. But because I'm so used to this, I'm just showing you guys what you can do. But for myself, I don't have to divide into 3 places. I will just braid as I go, basically. And as you braid, you can just use the edge control and just rub through the braids and then keep braiding, just so that you can try to tuck in your client's natural hair and braiding hair, just so it's not like sticking out or anything like that. And this style took me, I think, about 4 hours. We started at, I think, 4 or 5 hours. I think it's 4 hours and 30 minutes, guys. I think so. Yeah, 4 hours and 30 minutes. And I did use the hot water for this style as well. I used the hot water towards the ends, and then I used the hot towel all through the braids, just to just to be extra, guys. But you're gonna see me do that at the end of my video. I mean, when you're done, you can always add your moves, like your hair shine, or just something for your hair moves, hairspray, something just to make it like silky. And also you can just grease your client's hair and stuff like that. Well, I think that'll be all for my video, guys. If you have any detailed questions, of course, feel free to ask me, and I'm always here to reply you guys and answer your questions. And please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video.